Hello everyone, this is Technology Consultant channel and I'm Sam. Here we are with another video. In this video we'll teach you how to customize app icons on iOS 15. You can change any app icon very fast on your iPhone device. For this one you need to download and install this Shortcuts app. Most of the devices have this built-in application. If you don't found this application in your device, you can download from App Store. After installation you have to open Shortcuts. And then here you will see plus icon. You have to click on it and then you have to click on add action. Here you have to type open app. Here you will find open app. You have to click on it and then you have to click on app. Now you have to select the application that you want to change the icon. So you can select from here any application. We will select YouTube TV. Here is the YouTube application. After selecting the application, now you have to decide the new app icon name. You can put any name. We'll put it calculator. After doing all these settings, now you have to press this play button, which you will see in the bottom right side. You have to click on it and then the same application will be opened. Once you will see the application working fine, you have to go back to Shortcuts. And then you have to click on this settings icon and then you have to click on add to home screen. Now you have to select alternative app icon that you will use for this application. You have to click on this icon and then you have to click on choose file. You have to go to the destination folder where you have kept the icon. We'll select this one and then you have to click on add. So in the same way you can also customize app icons on iOS 15 very fast. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe our channel for more useful videos.